Dear students, greetings of the day. My name is Kausalya Nandan, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, BVRIT Narsapur. I am here to give you a brief introduction about the course Electronic Circuit Analysis, so which we will be handling in the current semester, that is second year first semester, which is a core concept of the Electronics and Communication Engineering. So why should we learn this course? What is the reason that you can take as a granted such that this course has to be learnt? So if you can see, most of the electronic circuits or the electronic gadgets and equipment that we will be using in our day-to-day life is said to be designed using different circuits, so which are said to be a combination of transistors, diodes, resistors, etc., ICs, etc. So all these circuits that were designed are to be analyzed in order to understand their exact behavior and performance. So that is the reason behind which we will be introducing this particular course as a basic course in this particular semester at the start of the second year itself. Now, what are the prerequisites for this particular subject? So you have already seen the basic introduction to this particular subject in the subject Principles of Electronics and Electrical Engineering. So where you have studied about the concepts of transistors, diodes as the fundamental knowledge that is to be that you should have in order to go ahead with this particular electronic circuit analysis, and also you have to have the knowledge of two-port network, which you already have studied in the previous semester. Now, what is the objective of this course? The objective of this course is to make you to get familiarized with the transistors of different types like BJT, bipolar junction transistors, FETs, field effect transistors, and MOSFETs, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors, and their combinations in different stages like multi-stage amplifiers, single stage amplifiers, and they are being utilized in different applications as power amplifiers, which are connected in the output of the amplifiers, and tuned amplifiers, which are used for specifically tuning to a particular frequency. This is the objective of this particular course, where the frequency response of the circuits will also be analyzed for the circuit that is designed for a specific purpose. Then the outcomes, once you learn this particular subject, will be you will be in a situation, or you will be in a position to describe the frequency response of the given circuit. You could recognize the type of the power amplifier that has been designed, and you can calculate the efficiency of the power amplifier circuit. Then you can design a feedback amplifier network and analyze its topology, and then also can understand the positive feedback networks which are designed for the application of oscillator circuits. Then you can discuss about the construction features of the MOSFETs, which you will be utilizing in the next application of your study in the third year, which you will be studying with respect to the VLSI, very large scale integrated circuit subjects. So for this, to go ahead with the books and the references that are required, so for you to go through the concepts after completion of the course or after the completion of the lecture in the classroom, could be Electronic Devices and Circuit Theory by Robert Boylsted, Integrated Electronics by Milliman and Halkias, Electronic Devices and Circuits. Then you can also go with Richard and Travis, Microelectronic Circuit Design. So this book will be mostly preferred by most of the IITs and NITs professors. And we also have another wonderful book, what is called as Microelectronic Circuits by Cedra Smith. So this is also one of the preferred books by the professors of NITs and IITs. This integrated electronics is like the basic or the fundamental subject or fundamental book for your electronic devices related concepts. Then what you will be obtaining, or what benefit that you get if you have studied this particular subject. Obviously that will be the intention of any of the student. So once I have studied this subject, what is the opportunity that I can get? So career opportunities when you study this particular subject could be differentiated in two ways. Like if you go for higher studies, what could be the career opportunity that you can have, and what steps that you can or you have to follow in order to proceed for your MS or MTech. MS or MTech. Similarly, the other opportunity, career opportunity that you can have is with respect to the placements. So first we see with respect to the MS or MTech. So you have two types of applications here. One is with respect to the GATE, another one is with respect to the certification that you can obtain with respect to this course. So if you consider GATE, so this is the statistics that I am putting here with respect to the last year GATE, that is GATE 2022. So where you have the concepts of analog electronics, which is a part of this electronic circuit analysis, given up to 10% in the GATE examination weightage. And proceeding further, if interested students can also go with the certification by the NPTEL, which is being where the classes are being conducted by faculty from NITs and IITs. So here we have the concepts of analog electronic circuits, that will be the course name, and it is being conducted by IIT Kharagpur by Professor Pradeep Mandal. So you can register for this course even and get certified in this particular subject. So the certificate obviously will have weightage when you put up it in your curriculum vitae or CV or resume. So coming for the career opportunities, once you study this particular subject, you also can expect your placement in the core companies, because this is the fundamental subject. Obviously, when we go for the core placements, so the third round, which is about the technical round, will obviously be on the technical concepts, where the interviewer may ask you on the basic concepts in the technology or in the subjects that you have studied. So we have the list of companies that can be expected to have your opportunity in the with respect to the placements, like AMD, Analog Devices, Socktronics, Intel, and National Semiconductors. These are only a few to name, but there are a lot of other companies even which can help you to get placement in the career in the core sector, specifically with respect to enhancing your career further. So this is the fundamental basic subject which helps you to analyze the circuit with respect to its circuit parameters as well as the frequency responses. Thank you. So we'll meet in the class in the next session. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.